Top 20 Agile Interview Questions. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of Agile methodologies? A. Deliver project within a fixed timeline. B. Maximize stakeholder engagement and satisfaction. C. Minimize documentation and increase coding speed. D. Focus only on software development, no business interaction. The correct answer is B. Maximize stakeholder engagement and satisfaction. Agile aims to deliver value and prioritize customer satisfaction. Question 2. Which of these is not a Scrum role? A. Product owner. B. Scrum master. C. Team lead. D. Development team. The correct answer is C. Team lead. Scrum has product owner, Scrum master, and development team. Question 3. What is a sprint in Scrum? A. A project milestone. B. A short, fixed-length iteration. C. A meeting for retrospective. D. A test phase after product completion. The correct answer is B. A short, fixed-length iteration. A sprint is a time-boxed iteration, typically 1 to 4 weeks. Question 4. What is the purpose of a sprint review? A. Discuss project risks. B. Review product increment with stakeholders. C. Plan the next sprint. D. Assign tasks to team members. The correct answer is B. Review product increment with stakeholders. The sprint review shows the completed work to stakeholders. Question 5. What is a user story in Agile? A. A detailed project requirement document. B. A description of a feature from the user's perspective. C. A task for developers to complete. D. A specification document created by the product manager. The correct answer is B. A description of a feature from the user's perspective. User stories capture user needs and are written in a simple format. Question 6. Which of these is a key principle of Agile? A. Fixed scope for the entire project. B. Continuous delivery of functional software. C. Comprehensive documentation over software. D. Rigid project timelines and budgets. The correct answer is B. Continuous delivery of functional software. Agile prioritizes delivering working software frequently and consistently. Question 7. Which Scrum event is time-boxed to 15 minutes? A. Sprint review. B. Sprint planning. C. Daily Scrum. D. Sprint retrospective. The correct answer is C. Daily Scrum. The Daily Scrum is a quick meeting for team coordination. Question 8. What is the role of the product owner? A. To manage the development team. B. To define the product backlog. C. To lead the Daily Scrum. D. To assign tasks to team members. The correct answer is B. To define the product backlog. The product owner is responsible for managing and prioritizing the backlog. Question 9. What is an Agile release train, ART? A. A team responsible for product development. B. A group of teams working on a program increment. C. A tool for tracking sprint progress. D. A method for releasing software in batches. The correct answer is B. A group of teams working on a program increment. ART is a key element in the Scaled Agile framework, SAFe. Question 10. What is the purpose of a burndown chart? A. To track the progress of a sprint or project. B. To allocate resources for tasks. C. To manage project risks. D. To estimate project costs. The correct answer is A. To track the progress of a sprint or project. Burndown charts visualize the remaining work in a sprint or project. Question 11. What is Agile Manifesto? A. A government regulation for software development. B. A declaration of 12 principles for Agile development. C. A list of tools for Agile management. D. A timeline for Agile adoption. The correct answer is B. A declaration of 12 principles for Agile development. The Agile Manifesto outlines the core principles and values of Agile. Question 12. What does increment refer to in Scrum? A. A software feature added to the product backlog. B. The sum of all completed product backlog items. C. A new task assigned during the sprint. D. A risk identified during the sprint planning. The correct answer is B. The sum of all completed product backlog items. The increment is the total of all completed work in a sprint. Question 13. What does T-shaped skill mean in Agile teams? A. Deep knowledge in one area, with general skills elsewhere. B. Broad knowledge in all areas with limited expertise. C. Specialization in two fields of expertise. D. Generalist with no deep skills in any area. The correct answer is A. Deep knowledge in one area, with general skills elsewhere. T-shaped team members are specialists with cross-functional abilities. Question 14. In which of the following does the Agile methodology focus? A. Individual performance over team success. B. Customer satisfaction through continuous delivery of value. C. Rigid processes and procedures. D. Detailed upfront planning. The correct answer is B. Customer satisfaction through continuous delivery of value. Agile values delivering customer value through continuous improvements. Question 15. What does time boxing mean in Agile? A. Setting a fixed time limit for tasks or events. B. Allowing unlimited time for task completion. C. Tracking time spent on meetings only. D. A method to measure team performance. The correct answer is A. Setting a fixed time limit for tasks or events. Time boxing ensures efficiency by limiting the duration of meetings and tasks. Question 16. What is the primary goal of a sprint retrospective? A. Discuss product roadmap and future goals. B. Review work completed during the sprint. C. Identify process improvements and team collaboration. D. Assign new tasks to the team. The correct answer is C. Identify process improvements and team collaboration. Retrospectives focus on improving processes and team dynamics. Question 17. In Agile, who owns the product backlog? A. Development team. B. Scrum Master. C. Product owner. D. Project manager. The correct answer is C. Product owner. The product owner is responsible for managing and prioritizing the backlog. Question 18. Which of the following describes Agile transformation? A. Switching to Agile processes without changing company culture. B. A complete shift to Agile practices across an organization. C. Focusing only on software delivery practices. D. Adopting Agile tools without process changes. The correct answer is B. A complete shift to Agile practices across an organization. Agile transformation includes adopting new practices, roles, and culture. Question 19. What is the Scrum Guide? A. A government document. B. A set of rules for software development. C. A framework to manage complex projects. D. A guideline for individual team members. The correct answer is C. A framework to manage complex projects. The Scrum Guide provides a framework for Scrum methodology. Question 20. What is the typical duration of a sprint? A. 1 to 3 months. B. 1 to 4 weeks. C. 3 to 6 months. D. 4 to 12 weeks. The correct answer is B. 1 to 4 weeks. Sprints typically last 1 to 4 weeks to deliver increments regularly.